Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Mechanical Design Adda. In this video, we will discuss the offset, thicken and project command. So let's start. Go to sketch mode. Select the sketch, front plane, then say sketch. Here sketch the view. For that offset command, we need a first geometry so that we can offset at some distance the same geometry. So suppose I have this one rectangle. So I need to offset the geometry at some distance. So select the offset command. In that you can offset the single entity. Select the first one. Now here you can see that the line is offsetted at some distance. Single line. Here select the entities and give the offset value. If you want in opposite direction, say minus value. So next one, for that chain, select the first entity and the second entity. See, in between that first and second entity, all are selected. Now in this direction I want offset by 20 mm. So this one is offsetted geometry like this. So in offset, next one we have offset by loop. For that, select the entity. It will take loop. This one is the direction. In which direction you want to offset the geometry. So in this direction I want 20. Suppose, so this one is the loop. It will create a loop. So suppose I want in opposite direction, just give the minus value. I am creating here one line. So next one we have a thicken command. So thicken command, for the single entity, select the single entity, and here I am selecting open end. So you can see the difference, 50 mm thickness and here 20 mm from middle. So here you can see that from that middle line there is 50 mm thickness is created here. This one is the 50 mm, and from that middle there is 25. So this one is the 25 mm line is offsetted, or you can say that thicken. So here I have selected single and open end. That's why this one is the open end. So next one I am selecting here single but flat end. Ends are flat. So here select the entity, give the offset value 50 and 25. Here I am giving. Now here you can see that one straight line is added here, that is flat end. So next one we have the single entity but the circular end. So select the entity, give the thicken value, and from the middle here it is. Now you can see that the difference here from that middle it is 15 mm. So this one is a 15 mm and the total thicken is the 50 mm like this. But here the ends are circular. You can see that here is the circular end. Select the entity, give the thicken value. Now here you can see that there is the circular ends are here. Let's see some example. So suppose this one is our geometry. So here use the thicken. Here I am selecting chain. So that for chain select the first entity and the last entity. In between that entity it will select. So here is the, I'm selecting first entity and this one is the last entity. Now give the thicken value and the from middle it is offset value. So here you can see that the chain is offsetted like this or thicken on the both direction if you want. So here you can see that there are open ends. So here is the thicken loop and loop. Here select the circular end. So here I am selecting first entity only, it will take a loop. So here I am giving 30 and 15 like this. It will create ends are circular. Now we will discuss the project command. So project command is used when you want to use the existing geometry repeatedly. So I have created one offset plane here. Select that offset plane and sketch. So here I want this one is geometry. So for that we can use the project command so that we can use the existing geometry. Here we have a single. So in that select the single entities one by one. So in project we have chain, select the first and the last entity. So in that you have two option here. So this one is the first root and if you select next, so it will show next root like this and say accepted, it will create it. So next one in that we have a loop. So select the entity, it will take a loop like this. So in this way we can use the previous geometry. Here you can see that we have used same geometry at some offset plane. So here I am taking one offset plane here and selecting that plane, sketching on that plane. So here suppose I want to offset, so you can use offset also the previous sketch. So here I am taking one chain, so first line and the second line. So here I am selecting here, giving offset distance minus 15 and say OK. So here you can see that at 15 mm. So let's see one more example here. Suppose I have this solid body here. So suppose I want the feature on this plane. So select that plane and sketch. So here I am projecting. Here you can select the edges of that feature. This one, first one and last one I have selected. In between it will select. So say accept. Now here you can see that the geometry is projected. So or single you can click like this. So here now the closed loop is created. So I can give the value. So in this way you can use the project command, so it will reduces the time to create the geometry. So select the middle plane here, project. Suppose I want to offset distance at some offset, I need the geometry. So select the first line and the second line I have selected here and say accepted like this. It will offset. Now project. So here you can see that some open ends. Delete. Now say OK. Now So in this video you have learned how to use offset. The offset is used for offsetting the geometry at some distance, and thicken is used to offset in both the direction. Okay, you can choose the different value but in both the direction, and we can control the ends in thicken command. And in the project command we need a geometry, and to we can use the geometry repeatedly on the different feature. So thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel, and for new video notification please hit the bell icon.